In today's class I will show you the programs, simple programs. Okay, the first program is to display a message hello how are you onto the form. Okay, the steps are: open the standard exe project, drag the command button control onto the form, change the command button caption as click. Okay, double click on the command button to display the code window and write the following code. Just simply private sub command 1 underscore click and end sub. When you double click on the command button, it shows private sub command 1 underscore click and end sub. This command 1 underscore click, this is the name of the control. Command 1 is the name of the control. So in that I am going to write the code print hello. This is my first VB program. Okay, then run the program by pressing F5 or project run. It shows the form with a command button. It shows the form with a command button control. Click on the button, it displays a message on the form. Okay, now I will show you this program. Right click on start and Visual Basic. Okay, open. So open it, and here so drag the command button control onto the form. So here I am taking this command button control. This is the command button control. Okay, so this is the command button control, and I am changing this command button control caption as this command 1 is the initial caption and the command 1 is the default name. Here I am changing the caption, that is just simply I am writing click. Simply I am writing click. Okay, I am giving caption as click, and I am changing this font size is big. Okay, 18. Font size is 18 for clear visibility, right? Okay, so double click on this one. Code window is displayed. Here the caption is different from name. The caption is the command button caption is click and the name is command 1. Here when you double click on this command button, it shows with the name, that is command 1 underscore click. In that, so private sub command 1 underscore click and end sub. When you double click on this control, it shows private sub command 1 underscore click end sub. Okay, so here this one private sub command 1 underscore click. Here we need to write this code print hello. This is my first VB program. So here I am going to write the code print within double quotes hello, this is my first VB program. Okay, this is my first VB program. So I simply enclosed this is my first VB program text in between the double quotes of a print method, right? Okay, so close this one and run this one. Close this one and run this one. So run the program pressing F5 or project run option, right? It displays a form with a command button control, right? So here I am executing this application. Go to run start, or simply you can click here. So the form is executed. The form is showing the top left corner. Okay, now I want to show this form top right corner, for example middle. Okay, this is the form layout window. I want to display the form in the middle. Okay, so in the form layout window, adjust the form like this. Okay, and execute the form. Now the form is showing middle. Okay, so click on this button, click, right? Okay, now this is hello, this is my first VB program. So when you run this application, the code is not executed on the happening of an event. It means when you click on this click button, when you click on this command button, okay, then only the code is being executed. Okay, so this is called event driven programming. I am closing the application, right? Okay, I don't want to save this one, and I'm going for the next program, that is program to change the background color of a form, right? Program to change the background color of a form. So open the standard exe project, drag the controls, open the standard exe project, drag the command button control onto the form, change the command button caption as click, double click, a code window is displayed. Okay, this is the first program, and the second program is program to change the background color of a form. So open the standard exe project, drag two command buttons. Okay, change the caption as red, green. So and write the code. First command button red, form1 background VB red, and the second one form1 background VB green, and run the form. Okay, I will show you this program now. So again I am opening this baby application. Open. I am taking two command button controls. One is command 1, another one is command 2, and I am changing this caption as, and I'm giving the caption as red. Okay, for first one, and the second one is green, GREEN, green. Okay, so I want to change the caption and the font size, that is 18, and this one is also 18. Okay, right, designing of the form is completed. So now I want to write the code. So when you click on this red, the form back color has to display red color. When you click on this green, the form back color has to display green color. So click on this red, the name of this control is command 1, right? So for example, I am changing the name of the control also here, that is red, RED. Okay, and this one green, GREEN, green. Okay, right, I'm clicking this red one. Now see the effect, see the change, red underscore click. Okay, so red is the name of the control. I'm writing the code, form1 dot back color is VB red. Okay, VB red is the color constant. Okay, right, green. I'm writing again the code, form1 dot back color. The back color is a property to change the background color of a form. Okay, is VB green. Alright, okay, then close this two and execute the application. Okay, right, but I want to display this form the total screen size. I don't want to see small size. So for that there is a property. Open this property window, go to this window state as maximized, change the window state of this form control property is window state property. Change this window, by default the property is normal, change it as a maximized, right? Run this one, then click on this red color is displayed. Form is filled with background red, and green, form is filled with background green. Okay, so like that we can develop the programs. Thank you.